Myself Ashutosh Rai. I have joined the Youth on the Move NGO. After joining, I have seen people working here, means doing social work with their own funds. Means I have seen people in other NGO. No doubt they are also hardworking, but not with their own funds. Means they are having already donation funds which are raised in their NGO. And in this NGO, which was different is the activities which are lined up were not stopping due to not having enough sufficient amount or funds. So this clicked me. I thought this is an loophole which will not be going to survive for a longer period of time if fundraising is an issue. So I decided कि let's raise a fund. So fundraising for a particular time is not an issue, big deal. But the fundraising which will survive for a longer period of time will be an issue. So I decided to collaborate, and finally, after deciding, we have collaborated with Chai House in Bhiwandi, and even our team was working on the web page, which is almost done. And now we are looking for more and more collaborations for this NGO so that the activities which are already lined up are getting help by our team. And in besides of doing something own creative, we should raise the NGO which are activities which are already lined up. No doubt they are working hard since they have started and they have survived till yet. But after getting this help donation box, I think which will be a small help from my side, and we are looking forward more and more collaborations for this NGO Youth on the Move. And this was from my side. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Apurva Singh. I did this NGO with Youth on the Move, and from honestly speaking, my experience was like mind blowing. I haven't seen such an organization which is fully dedicated towards serving people without any selfish reasons or what they like. We went through the website and we saw they did not have any established fundraising, like you visit any NGO's website, okay, you'll find a well developed donation site or like a payment gateway, everything was there. But this Youth on the Move website did not have such thing. So our group decided to modify that thing, which because these people are helping whatever they can and how much they can, but if they get a little more support they can help more of number of people. So that's what was our aim, so that we can develop their website. Those donors who are willing and wishing to donate, they can easily donate through Google Pay, or which are digital platform which are now nobody goes to the bank or uh, deposit money. Most of them have this net banking, Google Pay, Phone Pay, so many digital apps are there. So we decided to develop their website and bring few changes which are necessary for this upliftment of their website. And secondly, we thought of we should raise some fund for them, like so we started that Keto org, you must have heard, because it's a very famous platform to raise fund for some causes. So we developed that, and then offline, this we put it a donation box in certain shop where people used to visit, and uh, much scopes were there. So these are the work we did, and personally speaking, we felt good. I felt good, and obviously a little change can uh, you know bring a greater change in this organization which we wanted, and I think we were successful. Thank you so much.